Hey Internet, today's topic is Robotics and Automation Tutorial Solution 7.9. Disclaimer, I lost 2 points on this, so 98 out of 100, and they're for like really small things. The lecturer wanted me to sketch out by hand instead of doing it by MATLAB, but who's really got time for that? So the graphs are there, but he was quite picky about that, so I lost points for doing it in MATLAB, even though it didn't say that you could or couldn't. So that's an iffy mark loss. And another one is I didn't write out the expressions properly. Um, that's neither here nor there. Okay, so starts from here, goes down there, continues down. Um, yeah, this is problem 7.9. I mentioned that. These are the graphs. Copy with caution because I did lose marks. Again, pause the video where you need to. Okay, I hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications, and comment. Until next time, see ya.